If you use an Android device, then you probably know what is an APK file. So basically these are the files, the application files that you install in a mobile phone to use any application or game. There are times when we need to download these files, and the official website for downloading or the official application to download such files is Play Store, and Play Store doesn't allow you to download the APK file, not at least directly. It basically allows you to serve as a medium to install these files in your mobile phone, but you cannot download these APK files directly, right? But you can also always use the third-party websites, but they are not very authentic, not officially supported by the developers or Google, and there is always a chance for security issues. But there is an application utility, I would like to say, by the name Raccoon. So developers have developed this small application, and their pitching point is that you can store APK files locally, the authentic application files directly downloaded from Google's Play Store, and you can protect your privacy by not telling Google that hey, I'm downloading the APK file and these different aspects. So you can simply go to this website. You will find the link in the description below. Click on the download option and download the jar file that it provides by clicking on the option, and we will run this jar file basically. So to run the jar file, you need to have Java pre-installed in your computer. So that is must. For that, the quick guide is given in the description. Check that out, and you will be able to install the OpenJDK in your computer. So after that, you can simply start the terminal, and I have transferred the file into my home directory. So here is the file, the .jar file. So we can run this jar file using Java, then -jar because it's a jar file, and then Raccoon, the file name. Use the tab key to autocomplete the name and hit enter. This will start the application. It will ask you for the username and password. So you need a Google account in order to access this application. So I have a dummy account, so I'm going to simply paste the details here. It will authenticate, and I'm just going to hit next again, and now I can use the application. So if I want to download WhatsApp APK, then I can simply type here WhatsApp, hit enter, and it will search for WhatsApp on the Google Play Store, and here you can simply click on this WhatsApp icon. It will show you the basic details, for example the size of the file, the version, and the release date, and the downloads, and the synopsis. Here you can also see the permissions it requires to run the application. So there are too many permissions it requires, the WhatsApp application. It also shows you the screenshots of the application. Here you can see the screenshots, and now you can directly click on this download button, and the downloading will start basically. So this way you can download any application of your choice and store it locally. So this is Raccoon, and let me know what you think about this application in the comment section below, and how it can be useful other than these features that it offers basically, or the developers are pitching the options. So that is all in this video. I hope you liked it. So that's it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.